Hey everyone, today I'm going to explain how you can view any camera of the 3D Pro. Your wife or any family member can also access the camera on their phone. Anyone can view it, anyone can see even a single camera. So first, let's configure it. If you know how, that's great, but if not, I'll guide you through it. For configuring, your main step will be this. First, you need to turn on the Wi-Fi and location on your phone. Also, let me inform you that the V380 Pro app downloaded on my phone is already registered and logged in. If you're interested in learning how to perform a registered login, you can click on the I button above or watch the video linked in the description. First, download 3 Pro, then click on Add Device. Next, you'll see an option called Find the QR code. Click on it. Then, click on Wi-Fi Smart Camera at the top. After that, connect to your home router Wi-Fi and confirm the password here. The camera's MBID will be displayed here, and you'll need to connect it here. Is that so? You need to click on Allow once, and then the configuration process of your camera will begin. Please wait for a moment. You will see that it is a very straightforward process. It gets configured, then select the Office option and click on Finish. Click once more, and the Set Password option will appear. You will need to type in admin@123, admit123. You must enter the same password in both fields, and remember, the one for admin should always be in capital letters. Again, type admit@123 and confirm it. Your camera has been configured quite easily. Here it is. So what will be your next step? Configure. So once you've set up the camera, you need to establish a password for it. Look here, I'm moving it to show you. Today your camera is configured properly. Now go back and click on the 3 dots located at the top right corner. There, you'll find the Settings option. Click on it and the password field will appear. In this field, enter the original password you have. Make sure to write it accurately. Then, below that, you'll need to set a strong password. Ensure that both passwords match. Now your password is set for the camera, and the camera is configured correctly as well. So, it is all set up on this phone. I mentioned earlier that I would demonstrate the multi-setup for you. In one phone, I've already shown you how this camera is configured. Now let's proceed to our other phone. There's nothing different to do, it's the same process. First, download 3T Pro, then register and log in. You can watch the link video in the description for more details. And finally, go directly to the app. Yi-Ra with 3T Pro, and I have already logged in so that I can register. Then once more, click on Add Device. While doing this, click again on the Add Device ID option. At the bottom, you will notice an option to add the device ID. So whatever device ID is present on the camera, you need to add it here. Just like I am writing it, we will add it here. So, after you have completed that step, you need to click on Confirm. This will ensure that your camera is easily configured here. Once that is done, click on Finish. Then, you will need to re-enter the password that you had set previously before fixing it. Make sure to use the exact same password you entered after fixing it. It is very important to remember this password, so never forget it. As you can see, this camera has been successfully logged in on your second phone as well. We have now configured and shown the camera on 2 different phones. Now, let's proceed to move towards configuring it on our third phone. First, open the 3T Pro app and proceed to add this particular device by entering the device ID once more. Whatever the device ID displayed on the camera is, input it here. I will handle that part. Afterward, click on the device and once again, set up the area. Choose any finisher by clicking on it and then tap it once more. Enter the password you had previously set for it, ensuring you input the same password here. The primary password is this. Make sure to write it down somewhere safe, as it will be very helpful for you. Now take a look. The camera in all of your 3 phones functions like this. You can see this camera across multiple phones. Let me explain a few features. When you move the camera in any of the 1 phones, it will also start moving in the 2nd or 3rd phone where the login is occurring. Notice there's a light option. Whenever you activate this in any of the 1 phones, the light will begin to turn on and off across all 3 phones, similar to the black-white option. If you change it to black and white on 1 phone, whether it's the 2nd or 3rd phone, it will also turn black and white on all 3 phones. Now, let me show you more options. At the top, you will find the HDD option. The person watching on a single phone will have HDD on their phone, but it won't be available on the 2nd or 3rd phones. Also, the snapshot option, intercom, and video recording options will only be present on 1 phone. There's a PTJ collaboration option where the camera will move on all 3 phones. Look, there are many cool features, and I'll explain them in the options. I will give you those features. Then you will again go to the More option. You will see the option of 1 inversion. As soon as you click, the direction of the camera will change in all 3 phones. There is a motion track option available, which will be included in all 3 phones. All these features will be accessible in 1 phone, and each feature will be available in a single phone, while the other features will be present in all 3 phones. You can set the alarm from any single phone. So these were all the features you can benefit from, and wherever any family member goes out, any camera installed in your house can be checked. See if there's any such camera from your phone. Additionally, let me inform you, if you want to change the camera's password, then again, click to find out the password for this camera. What did you think of this video? Please let us know by leaving a comment and sharing it. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching.